Alright, in today's video we are taking a look at the Elkca or Elkca curtains. I have the chocolate ones and they are 52 inches by 84 inches. You get two panels in the package. Very nice material. Each panel weighs about a pound, which is actually pretty heavy. The material is a decent thickness. Looks like it's well put together. It is the same color on both sides. And we're going to go get these hung and see what they look like. Alright, we got these installed. You can tell I just used the El Cheapo rod for right now. I just wanted to get it on there to see how they look. Okay, and here it is with the lights off. It's daylight outside. It's sunny this afternoon. The blind is open. It's not super room darkening, but it does make a difference. Quite a bit of difference, actually. Now if we look over here at the other window, that's just a real thin curtain there. It lets in light, and of course the blind is actually closed on that one. Alright, so I'll open the blind for the thin curtain. And now we'll go back to these. Yeah, it's a noticeable difference. It's a little dark. I want to darken this room because basically the room that these are in is basically a giant closet. And I got my clothes hanging up in here, so I want to kind of block out a lot of light. But these are nice curtains. Good, heavy, thick material. I mean, it's not the thermal thick ones like I have reviewed before, but these, it does let some light through. Overall, I'm satisfied with them. I think they look good. Hope this helps. Y'all have a wonderful day.